Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by installing 2 AAA batteries and closing the compartment securely. Place the TV and remote within 1 meter during setup. Press and hold the home button for 5 seconds to start Bluetooth pairing with the TV. Wait while the on-screen message confirms pairing and follow prompts to complete setup. If pairing fails, remove batteries for 10 seconds and reinsert them before retrying the pairing sequence. Keep the remote within 10 meters for reliable Bluetooth connection during normal use. Use the D-pad to navigate menus and the Enter key to select items on screen. Press the back button to return one screen or to close overlays quickly. The Home button opens the Google TV home screen instantly from any app. Press the Google Assistant button to speak a command, or press and hold it for 3 seconds to engage continuous voice listening mode. Volume and power commands work via IR when paired, or via HDMI-C when the TV supports it, and the feature is enabled in Settings. Access Settings and choose Remotes and Accessories for advanced remote configuration and pairing options. If the remote stops responding, check and replace the 2 AAA batteries, and then try unpairing and repairing. Perform a factory reset by holding back and home simultaneously for 10 seconds when persistent issues remain. Confirm the TV firmware is up to date to ensure full remote compatibility for features like Assistant and media controls. Keep the remote within an approximate 10-meter range and avoid strong RF or metal obstructions during use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.